Homemade pizza is often fun to make and delicious to eat, but a kitchen oven can't quite recreate restaurant pizza that's made in pizza ovens, reaching 800 plus degrees. This is where a pizza oven comes in handy. There are many products available to choose pizza ovens, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pizza ovens from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Presto Pizzas Plus Rotating Oven. If you prefer cooking your pizza indoors but don't want to heat up your oven in your kitchen, the Presto Pizzas Plus Rotating Pizza Oven does the job, and it's fun to watch. The major selling points of this model are its budget-friendly price and portability. The pizza tray rotates continuously to bake the pizza evenly without burning. It heats from both the top and bottom, and the heating elements can be controlled separately, so if the crust is brown before the cheese is gooey, you can turn up the top heat and turn down the bottom heat. In lab tests, it took a while to heat up, and there was some inconsistency in the browning of the crust, but the cheese melted well, and the pepperoni on the frozen pizza cooked up nice and crispy. We like that a timer turns off the heat automatically, so you can walk away without worrying about a burned pizza, and an audible signal will alert you that your pizza is done. The pizza tray is removable and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Lab test takeaway. This pizza oven is small, looks like a mixer, almost is very lightweight, and easy to take anywhere. Number 2. Onlyfire Universal Stainless Steel Pizza Oven Kit. If you have a gas-fired grill, maybe you don't need another outdoor appliance just for pizza. The Onlyfire Pizza Oven Kit is an insert designed to work inside a gas grill with the lid open. It provides a perfect space for cooking pizza evenly on the top and bottom, which is something you can do by simply throwing a pizza on the grill grates or on a pizza stone on the grill. The base is 17 inches square, so it's wise to measure your grill to make sure it'll fit, but assembly couldn't be easier. Pull it out of the box and stick it on the grill. The insert is made from stainless steel with a double-walled roof to keep the heat in, and it has a thermometer on one corner, so you can check the internal temperature easily. Our lab testers and home tester agreed that this insert provides much better results than cooking a pizza on a grill by itself. It took about 15 minutes to reach 690 degrees at the front of the oven. This is a comparatively low and slow for pizza, but we found that the stone held heat well. In testing, cook times were longer than hotter ovens. It took us 9 minutes to cook a supreme pizza, but we found the bake to be consistent, and the results were tasty. Our home tester used the Onlyfire kit with her Weber grill, as well as a smaller pellet grill with no problems. The included pizza stone is 14 inches, and a 13.5 inches white pizza peel is included to get the pizza neatly in and out of the oven. It's also easy to turn the pizza while cooking. Well, our home tester found that this kit was a much better option than trying to cook a pizza directly on the grill. She warned there is a learning curve, and was disappointed in the lack of directions. It's worth noting our lab testers did not report the same issues. Since this relies on the grill for its heat source, the maximum temperature will depend on the power of the grill you put it on. Charcoal grillers, you're not left out. Onlyfire makes a similar oven designed to fit a kettle-style charcoal grill. Lab test takeaway. It's very easy to maneuver the pizza, and you don't have to turn it as frequently as you do with a typical pizza oven. Number 3. Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven, Griddle, and Grill. If you are looking to get the most out of your outdoor pizza oven, the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus offers versatility, portability, and performance, and it's one of the more affordable options on this list. In addition to making pizzas with the included 13-inch curd-I-right pizza stone, this Cuisinart oven functions as a grill with 260 square inches of cooking space or griddle with 233 square inches of space. Even with all of that functionality, our lab testers were most impressed with how easy this model is to use as a pizza oven, and the consistency of the final pies. In testing, it took 15 minutes to reach 600 degrees at the front of the oven. It features a nice oven-style opening with a lid that folds down, and our testers found it easy to turn the pizzas, which you only have to do once halfway through cooking. This means there is minimal babysitting of your pizzas, but you'll still end up with evenly cooked cheese and crisp crust. When you want to move on to searing steaks, cooking hamburgers, or frying eggs, there's a dual-hinged lid you can flip up and down, and integrated storage space for keeping the grill grate and griddle plate. Our one complaint with this appliance was the complicated setup, but after it was assembled it was incredibly easy to use. While it isn't the lightest pizza oven on the list, you should be able to pack it up in the car for camping trips, tailgating, and more. Lab test takeaway. This oven is so easy to use. You can't mess it up. It cooks evenly, with a nicely puffed crust and golden and crisp bottom. Number 4. UniCare 12 MultiFuel Pizza Oven. There's something about the flavor of wood-fired cooking that makes it incredibly appealing, and the UniCare 12 MultiFuel Pizza Oven can deliver, since it can run on gas, wood, or charcoal, just like many barbecue grills. You can grab some hickory, mesquite, and maple wood for their unique flavors, or load it with a bag of charcoal. It can also be used with gas if you purchase the gas burner, sold separately. In both lab and home testing, this pizza oven delivered delicious results. Setup is easy, but because of the multi-fuel feature, there are a few more components to keep track of than other models. The body is stainless steel with ceramic fiber insulation, so it holds in the heat, while the included Ooni baking stone retains heat for a perfect crust every time. Well, the manufacturer says this oven can get up to 950 degrees. In just 15 minutes, we found it took quite a bit longer. However, once heated, the oven held the temperature well and cooked the pizzas evenly as long as you turn them often, every 15 seconds. Supreme pizzas, whole wheat pizzas, and veggie pizzas were cooked to perfection in our testing. Pizzas can be cooked in as little as 45 seconds. Before the UniCare, there was the Ooni 3, which offered similar wood-fired pizza capabilities. The Ooni 3 was one of the first cost-effective pizza ovens available to the public, which helped launch the high-quality homemade pizza revolution we see now. It was discontinued at the beginning of 2020 to make way for two more advanced models, the Karu and the Fire. For those who still own the Ooni 3 and are interested in the gas burner connection, the same attachment can be used as the one for the Karu 12. Lab test takeaway. The pizza cooks very easily. The crust is evenly browned and nicely charred. The cheese melted beautifully. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven, Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. With an indoor pizza oven, you don't need to worry about the weather, fire, or lighting conditions, so it's often easier and more convenient than an outdoor option. This Breville model can reach 750 F, the temperature required for authentic pizza. It is well insulated, so the exterior stays pretty cool to the touch despite the super high heat, although there will be some smoking. Like other smart Breville appliances, this has easy-to-use settings, so it's simple to choose frozen thin crust pizza, deep dish, or wood-fired style pizza. It's also possible to customize the settings to get the perfect results for any pizza style and personal preference. In lab testing, we successfully baked a frozen pizza in 15 minutes, using the oven's preset option, and achieved fantastic results: nicely browned crust and golden brown cheese. Our home tester successfully baked everything from frozen pizza to a thin margherita pizza, to a pan pizza layered with cheese and a meaty bolognese. You won't get quite the same smoky flavor as a wood-fired grill, but for ease and convenience, the Breville cannot be beat. The pizza stone is designed to produce the essential char you find on wood-fired pizza, while radiant heat provides the attractive leopard-spotted crust. Convection heat perfectly cooks the cheese and toppings. Unlike ovens that only allow overall temperature control, this one has separate controls for the top and bottom heating elements for custom cooking options. Our tester used these controls to make nachos and dubbed the Breville the ideal nacho machine. It may be specialized for pizza, but we included the Pizzaiolo in our roundup of overall best countertop ovens because of that customizability. It comes with a stainless steel pizza peel for sliding pizzas in and out of the oven, and a carbon steel pan with a removable handle for thicker pies. While the metal peel works for removing pizzas from the oven and is sufficient for frozen pizzas, our home tester said those sticks no matter how much cornmeal you use, so she recommends a wooden peel. The oven itself is attractive enough to leave on the counter, and while it's on the larger side for a toaster oven style oven, it's still simple enough to move or store on a shelf. Lab test takeaway. The pizza cooked evenly, and the bottom is crusty and brown. The toppings were nicely rendered, and the cheese had some great golden brown spots. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.